Hi everyone, today I want to talk about how you can use Inventora to bring your 3D printing business to the next level. The great thing about 3D printing is that everything can be made to order, so you don't have to worry about having too much or too little inventory. But keeping track of all your orders can get really messy at times. Here's where Inventora comes in handy. Let me show you how. The great thing about 3D printing is that everything can be made to order. And making an order is incredibly simple on Inventora. If you're adding a sale, click on Create New Production Run to create a production card for that order on your production board. If you sync Inventora to your online shop, Inventora can also automatically create a production card for you whenever you make a sale. And here in the production page, you can see all the productions that you have planned, the ones that you have in progress, and the ones that you already completed. Also, when you click into a production card, you can see how many prints are required to complete the order, as well as the materials that you need to make each one of the products. Once you printed a new batch of models, you can click on Make Batch, then click on Complete Run, and the production card will move to the completed section. And then you will know that your 3D prints are ready to be shipped out. We all know that 3D printing is super flexible. You can make the same prints in different sizes, colors, or patterns, which is why product variants in Inventora is super helpful to keep track of them. Once you created variants for your products, you can see the total number of pieces and unique cost across all the variants of a specific product. Also, on your sales reports, all the variants will show up as a single product, making it really easy to understand how well that product is doing overall. And last but not least, you can keep track of your craft show sales and online sales. Simply sync your point of sale system with Inventora, and any sale you make will automatically be recorded in Inventora. Inventora already syncs with Square, Etsy, Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce. And we are always looking to integrate with new e-commerce platforms. These are some of the features that Inventora offers, but there are so many more that can help bring your 3D printing business to the next level. Try Inventora for free by clicking on the link in the description below. Happy printing!